Okay, this is my Vanguard case. This is for my main set. I've got the Vanguard case with the pack and not the foam. Yeah, this is what I use basically. This is my kind of top of my range stuff, what I can afford. So I've got 5 Sony A7rii. I'm still using them. Can't afford to upgrade at the moment and really happy with them. And then I've got the Rokinon or the Samyang lenses. That's what I want to talk to you about today. But by the way, fantastic case. I'm really happy with this, really strong, you know, much cheaper than a Pelly. So, like I said, as we're looking in the case, I'm using Sony A7rii. Really happy with these cameras, by the way. I know they're quite old now. I mean, there's the AR4 and the A7 IV and stuff like that, you know. But yeah, I can't really afford those new ones. And really, like I say, happy with these cameras. But what I want to talk to you about is these Samyang or Rokinon. By the way, Samyang and Rokinon are the same. It just depends on what part of the world you live in. I think if you're in America, you're going to get Rokinon. In Europe, I think you get half and half. In the Middle East and Asia, you're going to get Samyang. But yeah, they're the same thing. Now, I've tried the Xeen out. Now, the Xeen are the big brothers, the big boys. The big, they supersede these. And they really do supersede them in price. They're like 3 times the price. Now, I've tried them, and they're really good. I really love them. But they're not 3 times as good, I can tell you that. That's my opinion. Now, there is a couple of videos on YouTube. You can check where people A and B them, and I've tried them myself, and lovely big glass, beautiful, but just really expensive. So what I've got here, this is what suits me. I've got a note here. I've got a 24, a 35, a 50, an 85. I've got 2 100s and 1 135 millimeter. I might invest in a 12 just to get that kind of extra wide shot, but don't really use that much. But I might get it just to kind of complete the set for myself. But yeah, these guys are a third of the price. So I've got some notes just here. So a Xeen set, the Xeen is the really big boys, lovely glass, beautiful. A set of 7 of those, a 14, 16, 24, 35, 50, 85 and a 135 is $11,300 for that set. You're getting, 7 lenses there. I've got 6 here, but let's just say I did buy that 12 as well. That would come in at about $3,500. Now, there is a difference, and it depends on your budget. I can't really see the difference. I can see the difference, but it's tiny. It's tiny. So, yeah, I prefer these. They work with my budget. I'm really happy with them. I mean, this is how I earn my living through these guys. So, yeah, it's not just a little pet project for me. And super happy with them. They're nice metal construction. They're just beautiful. They're really well made. And I just think that unless you have loads of money to spend, I would go for these and not the Xeen. Now, if I won the lottery today, would I buy the Xeens? Of course I bloody would, wouldn't I? Because I love bloody cameras and gadgets. I probably would, wouldn't I? But I can't afford it, haven't won the lottery, and are super happy with this setup. Anyway, that is just my opinion. And yeah, that's it. If you've got loads of money, instead of buying the Xeens, send it to me.